Welcome back, Starseeds. Before we get started, please subscribe. Thank you, love and gratitude to all you special starseeds. Let's get started. Here are some potential signs that you may have been blessed with a spiritual gift. 1. You have a deep sense of connection to a higher power or spiritual force. This could be a feeling of being guided or protected by a higher power, or a sense of being part of something larger than yourself. 2. You have a strong intuition or inner knowing that helps you to navigate life's challenges. You may have an innate sense of what is right or wrong, or you may have a strong sense of what is going to happen in the future. 3. You have an ability to sense or perceive things that others cannot. This could be a sixth sense or extrasensory perception, such as the ability to sense the presence of spirits or to see visions or messages from higher powers. 4. You have a natural ability to heal or help others. This could be through traditional healing practices such as acupuncture or massage, or through more spiritual means such as prayer or energy work. 5. You have a deep understanding or knowledge of spiritual or philosophical concepts. You may have a natural affinity for spiritual teachings or practices, or you may have a deep understanding of spiritual concepts without formally studying them. 6. You experience synchronicities or coincidences that feel significant or meaningful. These may be events or experiences that seem to be connected in some way, even if there is no logical explanation for the connection. 7. You have had experiences that cannot be explained by science or logic. These could be experiences of paranormal activity, psychic abilities, or encounters with spirits or other worldly beings. 8. You have a deep sense of purpose or mission in life. You may feel like you are meant to do something specific or that you have a destiny to fulfill. 9. You have a strong sense of connection to certain people or groups of people. You may feel like you have a shared history or destiny with certain people, even if you just met them. 10. You have a strong sense of connection to the natural world and the elements. You may have a deep understanding of plants, animals, or the natural environment, and you may feel a strong connection to the earth and its energies. 11. You have a natural ability to inspire or motivate others. You may have a talent for guiding and supporting others in their spiritual or personal growth, and you may be able to inspire others to pursue their passions or dreams. Overall, spiritual gifts can take many forms and may be experienced in different ways by different people. If you feel like you have experienced any of these signs, it may be worth exploring the possibility of a spiritual gift further. It is important to approach the idea of spiritual gifts with an open and curious mindset, and to recognize that everyone has their own unique gifts and abilities. It is also important to remember that spiritual gifts are not necessarily tied to any particular religion or spiritual tradition, and that they can be experienced by anyone, regardless of their beliefs or practices.